Want to earn passive income every month from AI tools, even with a faceless channel? Let's break down the top affiliate programs in 2025 that actually pay. I've tested over 15 AI affiliate programs this year. These 5 not only pay on time, they also have recurring commissions. Number 5, Jasper AI, great for copywriters, recurring 30% commissions, plans from $39 per month. Number 4, Pictory AI, good for beginners but limited editing. 15% commissions, $23 per month plans. Number 3, Canva Pro, massive reach, 25% commissions, and tons of creators use it daily. Number 2, TubeBuddy, essential for YouTubers, 30% recurring commissions. Number 1, InVideo AI, this is my go-to. 25% recurring commissions, low competition, and creators are switching to it fast. I use InVideo AI for all my faceless content. And if you want to start earning like this too, I've got something for you. Try InVideo AI using the link below, and I'll send you my free AI Creator Starter Kit with all the tools and templates I use to make passive income.